floor lamp that comes with a little table. I'm gonna try to create this family. So let's start working on it. One thing, yeah, let's go to Revit. It's going to be a Revit family. So we go here, new family. Since this is going to have a light, I wanted to start from this template, light fixture. So that will provide me, as you can see right here, with a light source. So light fixture, hit OK. And we are in the family working environment. Okay, so as you can see, if you click here, this is your light source. Okay, so later on we see how we deal with it. Now, first thing I want to do is I want to work in millimeters, so UN for unit, and I'm gonna change my units for millimeters. Millimeters, hit OK. Okay, so that's about it. Now, next thing is I want to start working with this thing. I want to draw this, turn this into a family. So we have a few measurements from the manufacturer. So we know that this total height of this piece is 1,900 millimeters. So I can use this drawing, or I can use the picture. I think the picture is much more reliable. So I'm going to use the picture. I'm going to bring the picture inside Revit, and I'm going to scale it. So the total height of this piece, I'm going to take it from here, right? Because, oh, sorry, I'm going to take it from here, from this point, right? Because this has a perspective. This point is, and this point is closer to you than this point here, right? So I'm going to try to take this point and this point. And I'm gonna make this distance, I'm gonna ask Revit to make this distance 1,900 millimeters. Once I do that, I'm gonna have this whole piece on scale, and I'm gonna start tracing it to create my family. So let's go for it. So I'm here. First thing is I need to bring this picture inside Revit, but I need to do it in the correct view. So I'm gonna go to the front. I can go to the left or to the right, but it's okay. I'm gonna go to the front, and I'm gonna bring my picture. Insert, image, and I'm gonna bring my picture inside. It's somewhere around here. Right here, references. So let me see the thumbnails. So I'm gonna use this one. Hit OK. I'm gonna place it right here. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna scale this picture. So I'm gonna take it from somewhere around here. Okay. So I'm gonna select the picture, hit the scale icon, and then pick the segment from pretty much here to the top. I want this to be, and then you need to type it 1,900. And scale is pretty similar for those that are familiar with AutoCAD. It's pretty similar to scale with reference in AutoCAD, in which you show first this segment, and then you tell Revit basically how long you want this segment to be. Okay, I'll try to center this, not go too crazy about it. Probably I want to center with this piece, but it doesn't really matter. Yeah. Okay, cool. So let's check just in case. I'm gonna take this measurement and measure from here to the top, and yeah, it is pretty close to 1,900. We can make it 1,900. I mean, what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to do that. Once this is lined up, I'm going to lower down a little bit. I'm just going to create a reference plane and offset that give it an offset of 1900, pick a line, I'm gonna pick the floor. That's 1900. So with our scale procedure, we didn't end up far from what we really need. So okay, so we got that. So now start working on the family. Now we can start working from pretty much any place in this case. I think I'm going to start working with this piece right here. So the one thing I need to do is I need to figure out how deep is this. What is the radius of this? The diameter, sorry. So take it from here. It looks to me that it's 20, about 20. It's 16. So get closer to it. And if the manufacturer provided with this information, it's good. But often when you're working in furniture design, that's not the case. You have to figure out, eyeball this thing. So I think it's 16. 16 is going to be the radius of this piece. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna create a sweep, right? A sweep basically consists of two parts, two pieces, a profile and a path. And Revit basically is going to make a profile travel along a path. So once you get into the sweep, you got to solve these two little pieces. You have to provide Revit with a profile, and then also have to provide it with a path. So it's a two-part job. So let's do it. So let's create a sweep, and right here you have the two parts, the path and the profile. Now Revit wants you to create first the path. Okay, so let's work with Revit. Why not? So I'm gonna use this reference plane. So I'm going to sketch a path. Gonna start my path. Gonna draw a line here. Start it from here, and I'm gonna take it pretty much up to here. Good. Next thing, I'm gonna switch for an arc. Straight up to here. Make sure, yeah, it's a nice arc. It's pretty similar to where we want this thing to be, and then I'm gonna go for a line to finish it up. And we're gonna finish here. Once we have our path, Revit right here is showing me where I want me to put to draw the actual profile. So I finish my path and I'm going to accept here. I like my path, so I'm gonna close the path, and now as you can see, the profile is now available. So a couple of options here. You can select the profile in case that you already have it somehow already in the drawing, or you can actually sketch the profile, which is what we need to do. So let's go edit profile and open view, and that's it. So this is the little plane I was showing you just a few seconds ago. Now, same procedure. What we need to do is basically our profile is going to be a circle, and it is going to be 8, right? The radius. So the 8. So that's it. Hit OK in here, and now that I have my path and my profile, I'm gonna end up accepting here. Okay. And let's see what we have. Okay, not bad. Right. Let's go back to the front. So we have one part done. Okay, so again we can continue. I guess we can draw this piece right here. I need to find out what is the diameter for this piece, and let's just make a quick measurement here, and it's 33, something like that, 330, something like that. So let's go to the top view, And let's also figure out what is the height of this piece. So it's 26, 25, since it's 1 inch, right? Let's go here to the top and let's create it. For this case, it's going to be much more simple. We're just going to need a extrusion, right? So get a circle. It's just going to draw anywhere and then I'm going to fix it. So go here and 15, 100. So the radius is 300, right? So this needs to be yeah, it's 30 inches. No, let's see. Sorry, let me go back and so let's see how much is this. Okay, let me cancel this and measure again. From here to here is 336. So I'm gonna need 170, something like that. So let's go back to reference plane and procedure again with extrusion. Hit this, and I'm gonna need 170 in my something like that. I can give it the 25. No, so 250. No, 25. That's what we want for the height. So hit apply and hit OK here, and let me go back to the front and see what we get. Yeah, it's pretty much what we need. So I'm just gonna move it manually. I don't think it matters that much. So, right in place. Later on, this goes inside. So later on we can fix this. We can change the path. Okay, so we can do it right now. So it doesn't. You see, this goes actually inside. So let's fix that. Basically select the shape and go edit sweep, and we want to sketch the path. So now the path is here, so take it all the way up to here. We can lock this, why not? Hit OK and hit OK again, and now it's fixed. Easy, it's finished right there. Okay, so we're good now. And we need this piece, and the light. Okay, so this is the same. It's about the same thing.